What's up, YouTube? Today I want to talk to you about 5 things I love about my Mercedes. This is a 2009 E350. It is the W211, and I'm just gonna go over a couple things that I really love about this car. The first thing that I really love about it is the way the car looks. I love the styling. The car has the AMG package. As far as the appearance, AMG appearance package is not an AMG. Doesn't have AMG badging anywhere. I'm not that type of guy, but it does have the appearance package. Alright, the next thing I really like about this car is how quiet it is going down the street. I'm driving right now, I'm going about 25 miles an hour, and I'm just headed to go pick my kids up from school right now. And the car is super quiet. Like, they don't make cars quiet like this anymore. All these new 2.0 turbo this, turbo that, like, yes, they make great performance, great economy for how small the engines are. But those valves ticking, man, you hear it. You hear it in the car, you hear it in the cabin. You hear nothing pretty much in this car. And this is an E-Class. I can't imagine an S-Class from this generation how quiet it is. This car is phenomenal when it comes to how quiet. All right, the third thing that I love about this car, or I like about this car, is how comfortable it is. These seats are amazing. The heated seats in the winter are phenomenal. I've driven this car back and forth to Florida twice from New York in the last year. So this is to North Florida, the Tallahassee area, more like Mariana, Sneads, and also down to Miami. So I've driven down to Florida, back up, back down to Miami, and then from Miami back to New York twice. I say New York, I live 10 minutes outside of Manhattan. So I live in Jersey, but I'm like right, I'm pretty much in New York. The fourth thing that I love about this car is the sound system. This Harman Kardon system bumps, and it rivals with anything up to date right now. I don't care if you got a 2018, you hop in a 2018 Mercedes, this Harman Kardon system will go against any of them. I did have to get an adapter to add Bluetooth audio as far as for music streaming, but other than that, it had everything else. MP3 player, 20 gigabyte hard drive to store music on. It takes SD cards. I have an SD card with like 8 gigs of music filled up, just plugged in here. Navigation, like, this thing is phenomenal. I can't compliment it enough. The fifth thing, which you're gonna be really surprised that I'm saying this, is the reliability. This car is reliable. Yes, it's true. Mercedes are reliable. Listen, I do most of the work myself, so I save myself a lot of money. My oil changes and things like that, I have a video coming out soon on how to change your oil on this specific car. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to check that out. But yeah, man, honestly, I haven't done much to this car in the year and a half that I've owned it. 20,000 miles, from 65 to 85. I have 667 miles right now. I've done the spark plugs, common maintenance. I changed the tires, common maintenance. And I had one sensor on the front of the engine go out, which is a cam magnet, is what it was listed as. It was a $22 part, and it took 10 minutes to change. Super simple. Other than that, I had to replace a key fob. Done. This car has been super reliable. So honestly, just look for a good cop if you want one, and just go for whatever your heart tells you. You know what I mean? Like, every car that's out there is gonna have issues with reliability at some point. There's things that are gonna need to be replaced. I don't care what type of car it is. It could be it could be a 94 Corolla. Like, you're still gonna have to do work to it. It's just, are you willing to do it? That's it. Honestly, you're looking for a great used luxury car under $10,000, this is it. Me specifically, I went and found one that did not have the Aromatic Suspension, because that's really the only complaint that I could find with these cars, is that the Aromatic Suspension is not reliable in the long term. Other than that, I haven't had a single issue with this car.